Ethical subjectivism is the idea that our moral opinions are based on our feelings and nothing more. There is no right or wrong, only expressions of our feelings. Therefore, we can't judge another's opinion as being wrong or right, since it's merely an opinion and nothing else. Here's the kind of argument ethical subjectivism boils down to. Using sex to sell products is morally acceptable, in my opinion. Or using sex to sell products is morally unacceptable, in my opinion. Since both are statements of opinion, neither can really contest the other. Thus, there are no such things as moral facts, only our attitudes about morality. The problem is that this argument assumes only two possibilities. One, there are moral facts in the same way that there are facts about stars and planets. Or, our values are nothing more than the expression of our subjective feelings. Just those two possibilities. The problem is that this argument overlooks a crucial third possibility. Moral truths are in fact truths of reason. That is, a moral judgment is true if it's backed by better reasons than the alternatives. Think of accepting ethical subjectivism as an excuse. We don't usually allow people to do things simply because they feel they're right. We want reason. What we've done instead is to develop theories of rightness and obligation based on the notion of reason. For example, each person ought to do whatever will best promote his or her own interests. This is called ethical egoism. We ought to do whatever will promote the greatest happiness for the greatest number of people. This is called utilitarianism. Our duty is to follow rules that we could consistently will to be universal laws. That is, rules that we would be willing to have followed by all people in all circumstances. This is Kant's moral theory. And we ought to strive to develop a good character. This is what's known as virtue ethics. A theory is a model based on and representing reality. If it works as a model, it can then be used to guide and or predict reality. Some of the ethical theories we'll be looking at will be consequential theories and non-consequential theories, social contract theory, and virtue or character ethics.